Well, hello there, fellow gardeners. It's Daryl here, and I can practically smell the promise of spring in the air. Before we jump into today's gardening goodness, do me a quick favor, tap that like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure to turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of the tips, tricks, and hacks we share to improve your gardening experience. April is that hopeful time of year when the soil begins to warm, and we start itching to get our hands dirty. It's the perfect time to start sowing cool season vegetables in the Northeastern United States. There's something deeply satisfying about tucking seeds into the earth, nurturing them, and watching them flourish. In this video, we'll cover 30 vegetables that can be direct sown into your garden this month, along with 5 helpful tips for planting and growing each one. Let's get your spring garden off to a strong start. Arugula with its peppery bite is a real treat. Sow those seeds thinly, just 1/4 of an inch deep. Light shade keeps it from bolting in the warmer spells. Beets need a bit of space to grow their sweet roots, so give them a good 2 inches. Thin them out once they're poking through the soil and keep the ground moist. For those lovely straight carrots, you need nice loose soil. Sow those tiny seeds thinly, and remember to keep the ground consistently moist, especially during germination. Chapter 4, Kale, King of Greens. Kale is a tough customer, thriving in cooler weather. In fact, a touch of frost won't bother it at all. Just remember to water the ground, not the leaves, to prevent any fungal problems. Chapter 5, Lettuce, fresh and crisp. There's nothing like a salad picked fresh from the garden. Lettuce enjoys these cooler temperatures. Sow your seeds and then thin them out, giving them room to grow, particularly if you're after those lovely full heads. Chapter 6, Spinach, Early Spring Delight. Spinach is another one that thrives in these early spring temperatures. It does bolt quickly as the weather warms, so make the most of it now, picking regularly for delicious tender leaves. Chapter 7, Radishes are wonderfully fast-growing. Sow them directly into the ground now, and in just a few weeks you'll be enjoying their peppery crunch. Keep them well watered for the best flavor. Chapter 8, Peas, oh those delicious peas. Give them something to climb up and they'll reward you with an abundance of sweet pods. Keep the ground moist but not waterlogged, and they'll be happy as can be. Chapter 9, Mustard greens bring a real zest to the table. Sow them now, and keep a watchful eye out for those pesky flea beetles. A bit of organic control will see them off nicely. Swiss chard is a real workhorse in the garden, and another one that enjoys cooler temperatures. Cut those outer leaves regularly, and it will keep producing right through the season. Broccoli loves rich, fertile soil, so dig in some good compost before you sow. Keep it well watered, especially during dry spells, and you'll be rewarded with those delicious, nutrient-packed heads. Cabbage needs a good drink of water regularly, so keep an eye on it, particularly as the weather warms up. A good layer of mulch will help to conserve moisture and keep those weeds at bay. Collard greens are another hardy soul able to withstand a touch of frost. They thrive in those cooler temperatures, so get them planted now for a taste of the South. Turnips, both the roots and the greens, are delicious additions to the table. Give them some space to grow, keep the soil moist, and enjoy their sweet, earthy flavor. Snow peas and snap peas with their sweet, crunchy pods are best sown directly into the ground now. Give them something to climb, keep them watered, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. There you have it, friends, 15 vegetables to get you started in the garden this April. Remember to keep an eye on the moisture levels in your soil, especially as the weather warms. And don't be afraid to give your plants a helping hand with some organic fertilizer as they grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more down-to-earth gardening tips. Turn on that notification bell so you never miss what's next. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next one.